Alright, quick TA update on green Satoshi token. So all of the markets are currently plummeting. As you can see, literally within the past 4 hours, green Satoshi token has moved down 11%. On the daily, it is down over 16%. If you're wondering why we have dropped, I have made a video on this. Basically, the CPI numbers came in. They are up 8.6% year to date. So all of the markets are dumping, Bitcoin's massively cascading, the US dollar is going on a rampage and the stock market's going up. So like I've been saying for the past month now, it is really not the time to be bullish on altcoins. And let's see how our prediction from the 2nd of June played out. So 8 days ago, we were predicting a 60% drop on green Satoshi token, and we are currently down 52%. So congratulations to everyone who's been watching and sitting on the sidelines patiently like myself. It's massively playing off because I still do think altcoins have further to go down, and that is what we're going to talk about in this video, because in my opinion, we should now start to look at lower price targets. Like I've been saying, you know, the markets are not reacting well to the CPI news. I think I'm going to keep this video very plain and simple because I've got a lot of TA updates that I want to go through today. If we look at the volume coming in, 136,000 green Satoshi tokens sold in the past 4 hours. At this current moment in time, 25,000 sold within the past 13 minutes. So it's really not looking good. In the past couple of hours as well, since the CPI news has come out, the squeeze mom, which is our momentum indicator of choice, has started to massively cascade to the downside in favor of the bears. Looking at the 4-hourly squeeze mom, bears never really lost control of this downtrend. In fact, it is exponentially stepping up right now. We've got an increase in volume, bearish volume that is, which is obviously not good. Higher time frames, less volume is coming in. I do believe this is because the market cap is very diminished, but in my opinion, we still do have a lot more room to move back down. So at this moment in time, I would be expecting this further 17% move to the downside to play out very soon. Maybe in the next day, maybe in the next 2 days. But at that point in time, we need to start looking at lower price targets, because I do think we are going to cascade below there. I don't think there is really any other way to say it, but like I've been saying, I think we're coming all the way down to 49 cents. That's a 17% move. If we do drop below, then the next level down we can expect is to come down to 41 cents. This would be about a 16% move. This is not a very big fib. So the next major level is actually this 4.236. I'm going to mark this smaller to show you the significance of this next macro move that coming down that I do believe is going to be panning out. I just want to look at the daily squeeze mom quickly. We have been resetting for the past couple of days, but now we've got this 16% drop. Now we are capitulating below the lows, and as we're in price discovery to the downside, getting rejected from the EMA ribbons and all of that stuff, I do think this 4-hourly squeeze mom flip is going to bleed over into the daily very soon. I believe by the time the daily squeeze mom candle closes, it is going to tick back in favor of the bears, meaning that we are going to have a lot more momentum to go down. So I do think the next level down that we should keep our eyes on is the 4.236. This is down here at 31 cents. As of where we are at this moment in time, this represents a 45% drop in the USD valuation on green Satoshi token. The most bearish target that I have at this moment in time from this swing low to this swing high is actually all the way down here at the 4.236. So don't necessarily be surprised if green Satoshi token could smash through the 31 cent and capitulate all the way down to 18 cents. That is really all I've got for you for green Satoshi token. Once again, just to reiterate, I've been saying this for the past month, the Bitcoin dominance is on a rampage. This is not the time to be investing in altcoins. I wish I could say otherwise. I wish I could make all my titles bullish and it was bullish 24/7. I'd get more views, more likes, but this is not the reality of the markets. I have to keep it real on this channel. Bitcoin dominance goes up. Bitcoin is going to outperform altcoins. Green Satoshi token is very likely to continue getting slaughtered. Like I said, this is how we predicted this 60% drop, and we're down 52%. And bear in mind, if you go back to my videos before then, you know, I was predicting drops from 260 and higher. I think once we capitulated below $5, especially once we capitulated below the top of this accumulation range at 370, and especially at $2.60 once we capitulated below here. I made a video on, when was this that we capitulated? I think we had the second capitulation down here at the 25th of May. It was either the 25th or the 12th, but I made a video, something along the lines of green Satoshi token, price discovery to the downside, or actually it was called capitulating below the mint price, and I've been very, very bearish since then. I keep on moving my targets down. That is to say that I do keep on expecting this to drop, and we shouldn't expect the bottom to be in until we have a trend reversal. On this channel, especially with altcoins, I do not recommend buying the dip down. People have been buying the dip on this, and the strategy's not been working. Buying the dip does not work in the bear market. I am waiting for a trend reversal. Because we're waiting for a trend reversal, literally every week that goes past, you know, it gets 60% cheaper. It was like 60%, 100% cheaper from 260. So I'm sitting on the sidelines. You know my trading plan. I think we're coming all the way down to 31 cent. At that period in time, if we do break below 31, my next major move would be down to 18 cent. That's all I've got for you today. Not looking good, not looking good for any of the altcoins, to be honest. As always, Cowboy out. Peace.